Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today we are doing a weekly in my Planner Envy catch-all planner. In my last video, we decorated the monthly page, and I said I would show you guys afterwards what how I'm using it. Basically, I'm just writing down my appointments in black, and then I just kind of highlight them just to give it a little color right there in the middle. But that's it. Okay, so we discussed this. This was the fitness page, and these boxes are available in my shop, only in pink. If you want other colors, let me know. I didn't know if there was going to be any interest in these. That's why I didn't spend too much time putting too many listings up of it. But in case if you guys do want to have circles and boxes that match this page, the pink is in my shop, and let me know if you guys want more colors. So this was last week, and for this week, it's Valentines. So the book that I'm going to use, or the books, I'm going to use Colorful Shapes by Happy Planner for these hearts and maybe a couple of the other shapes on there. And then I'm going to use this page from, what is this? Fashion Girl from Soto Studios. So this one's got a lot of cute kind of pinkish, flowers and roses and things that kind of reminded me of Valentine's Day, especially this one, obviously. So I wanted to go ahead and use the sheet. Okay, and then the other thing I'm using is some washi, and I wanted to start with this one because I'm going to use that one. I really liked how last week I did the top and the bottom, so I'm going to do that again this week with that washi. So I'm going to just wipe these out because that washi is, it's kind of thick, so it's going to cover up the to-do, and I don't want it to show through. So I'm just going to cover it real quick, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do one, and then I'll pause it and do the rest. So basically, I am doing this. I'm lining that up at the top, and some Washi Cutter, and then I'm going to cut the edges like this, and I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom, like that. That one's got like a little line in it, but that's okay. Do like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that on all of the spaces, and I will be right back. Okay, so I added the line. Whoops, never mind. Hold on. I forgot to. Okay, I added the lines. I also added it over here. I'm not sure if that's staying. I'm not sure if I love it, so I'm gonna leave it there for now and see. The next thing I knew I wanted to do was I'm really liking having these little boxes right here for just like if I have an appointment or a little note to myself or whatever. So I am going to do that, but this time it's going to be with these hearts. And I think I'm going to do, I was trying to say if I want them on the, like all the way down. I don't know. I'm just going to put them down. And then if I decide I have to move them later, I will move them. So let's do like this. I'm just going to kind of alternate which way they're facing. So like that one's going to be like that. And then the one under here is going to have to be, I don't know, let's try this one. It's going to have to be like this. So then this one is like this. And then this one, oh, wait a minute. Right? This one, that one. Okay, confusing myself. That one, and then let's do this one, going this way. Okay, so I knew I wanted those hearts, and then I'm gonna add, I'm trying to think where I want this like couple. If I wanted them over, I think I'm gonna put them over here. Although, okay, so this is the thing, I can either put them here, it's gonna take up a lot of that space, or I can put them here and just cut off some of her hair. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So it was either that, or I could put them like here in the middle, like up here by the tracker. Oh, that's kind of weird, huh? What do you think? I don't know. I think I'm gonna put them here. I think this is where they look the best. And I'm gonna put them far enough down to where there's no white edge. So that way I'll just cut it like this. Okay. All right, there we go. That didn't take up that much space. That's good. All right, so then the other cute stuff I've got, this is kind of a big thing here, so maybe this one can go over here. I don't really use the next week part too much. I wonder if there should be, I guess I can just white it out. Let's do Oh, I didn't want to go into that heart too much. So I wonder if I'm going to cut this little heart off. Let's do that. That way I'm not going into this heart. And I can easily put this someplace else. Let's do like that. Although that one, now this one's cutting, huh? Let's do this. Let's cut this one off too. Let's see how that looks. And then we'll add the hearts in a better spot. Let's try that. So this goes here, like that. And then I'm going to put this one right here. I will white that out, that little line, with my whiteout pen. All right. Let's see, where do we want this one? Like over here, over there? I don't know. I'm just going to put it right there for now. And then I will worry about it later. Like this. And I don't know if you guys saw, but Planner Envy is selling these planners now undated. I went and I put one in my shopping cart, but I didn't buy it. And mainly I put it in there because I like to have one like that I practice. Like with my Happy Planner ones, I've got plenty of like practice planners, right? That I can just try stuff in. And this one, what I've been doing is taking a photocopy, but it's like $60. So I didn't want to spend another $60. All right, let's see. So up here, how about we put the little truck? I think that'll be cute. Let's see what we need to white out in order to put the truck there. Because we could do the truck, or we could do this one. Yeah, he kind of doesn't fit, does he? He'll be blocking some of the February. Okay, so he's going to have to go someplace else. And I do want to use him. So I wonder if I can just put him like over one of the days, or maybe going into, let's do it on Valentine's Day. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put him here, but I'm going to cut the white off. And he's going to go right here. Cut a little bit more off. And then I'm going to cut a little bit around this just to get rid of some of that white. Why do I always do that? Oh my God. It's like it's stuck to my finger. Urgh. Frustrating. Okay. It's all right. We're still going to be able to use it. I'm going to put this like right on that last red line. Right there. Actually, I want it further back. Let's put it right here. Okay. Then maybe the bear can go up here. Yeah, let's put him there. Let me get rid of 2025. Little birdie's back. If you don't know about the bird, there's a bird that's making a nest on my front porch. And for some reason, every day he's coming to the little windows in the front and tapping. Okay, so let's see. What do we want to do? I think above them, I'm going to put this heart. Just like that. Looks cute. Okay, so I need something for in here. We've got this basket. And the basket might look kind of cute. Yeah, I like the basket there. I kind of want to cut the bottom off though. And have it sitting on this black line. And maybe I'll do the red. Since I've got that red stripe there. Let's do this red stripe right here. And I'm going to cut it a little short. I'm going to do like this. There. Looks cute. Okay. And then we've got a few other little things. I definitely want this heart to go over here. Because I do. I think I'm going to white this out. Crazy. I'm not crazy about the fact that this notes is off center here. I hope they change that. All right, so this one's going to go right there, like that. Okay, and then we've got a few more little thingies here. So let's see. Let's just add a few little decorations around the place. I'm going to put this here to cover next week. But again, it's like off-centered. And I think I want this to go like right here. So I'm going to cover this. And this one is out. Okay, let me get another one. Okay, I went ahead and covered it. And then this is going to go right here. Like that. But I think I'm going to draw. I'm going to do it with a pencil first. Just to make it look like it's hanging on something. Instead of just kind of randomly there. Okay, so I've got this other gift. I wonder, no, where else do I want to put something? I don't know. Let's see, I've got two more. I don't need one here, so it would be here. I don't really need one there. Let's just put one here. And then I've got a cupcake, which is really cute. And the cupcake's gonna go right there. And this one kind of just looks like a trash can. I don't know why we went a trash can there, but okay. I've got this cute little heart too. Let's see. Where do we want this little heart? And I suppose we can just do like that too. Yeah, I don't know that I want to use the trash can. Ever. It just doesn't make any sense to me. This is kind of pretty too. And it doesn't really go either though. Let me see. I think I'm going to color these in or find like strips. Let's see what else is in here that would look cute. Oh, I like the bow. Choose the bow. If I can get it off. There we go. That's cute. Let's see, because I know they've got like other stuff in here we can use. Flower, that red heart. I've got quite a few of those. I like the butterfly. And I like her. She's like, no. Can you see that? Her cup says no. Which I think is kind of funny. All right, let's see. So we've got these kind of weird boxes. I don't think I want to use those anywhere. That heart's kind of cute. I think we've got enough hearts. Let me see. Okay, so this is a sneak peek of something that I'm working on. I'm going to start doing a few of these little, sort of like a weekly kit, but I really want to use these. I think these will look good in this. I'll be adding those to my shop soon. I still have some other stuff I need to add first, but some special requests. But since I've got these from when I was testing them, I'm going to go ahead and use them. And this one's a slightly different color, but that's okay. Wait, this one's a little too far down. Let's go up right here. And I think that's going to give it the cute touch for the boxes, because the boxes, I don't know, they were looking kind of plain. And I don't want to use the highlighter on them this time. So I'm just going to do like this and cover them with these little strips. And I like that it was like a, sort of like a light pink, you know. I think it looks cute. Like that. And again, this planner, I need all the space. I really write in here. I don't want it to be too crowded. I want to be able to use all the spaces the way that I need to use them. The other thing I'm going to do is, hold on. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do is I want to add, this is a book. I got this one off of Mercari also, that somebody was selling for like $20, and it was regular $50 at Joann's. And I think it was like a special thing they only sold at Joann's, and it's really cute. It's got a lot of really, really cute stickers in it. But it also has this, and I want to use those to-dos. So I'm going to grab one and then show you guys. I'm going to put the to-do right here. And then I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the to-dos, and then I also grabbed an important, and I'm going to put this one right here. Oh, that's off-centered. Let's try to center it as best we can. Okay, and then that one says important. And I am done for this week. I gotta get started writing in here. Let's see. You see, I write in it a lot, and I need the space. So I can't get too crazy decorating this one. All right. There we go. That's cute. So this was the monthly. And then there is this week's little Valentine's Day spread. And I'll be doing one with this soon. I just need to have time to sit and, you know, figure out exactly what I want to include in it. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will join me next time. Bye.